Andarki Namaskaram, welcome back to Vamsi Bhavani. In this video, we will discuss the absolute minimum requirements for you to become a software engineer. That is the bare minimum requirements for you to become a software engineer. And also the video will be short, so make sure you're watching the complete video, and at the end if you like it, do like it and share it with your friends. So coming to the absolute minimum, there are actually three things that you need to know to become a software engineer. Among the three, I would say the most important and the first one is you should be comfortable with at least one OOPS based programming language. It can be C++, it can be Java, it can be Python, it can be JavaScript, but at least you should be comfortable with any one of these. That's the first bare minimum. Coming to the second one, you should be good with DSA in that particular OOPS based language. So let's say you're kind of comfortable in C++, make sure you're very comfortable in implementing all the DSA concepts using C++. Many people get confused on how to learn this. See guys, it's really simple and really straightforward. What I would say is, first of all, learn the concepts of data structures and algorithms by concepts. I mean, learn them conceptually. Once you're comfortable with that theory, then go ahead and practice questions for each of those data structures and algorithms. Once you are at this stage, that means comfortable theoretically and have solved few questions, few number of maybe implementations for each of the concepts in DSA, that is when you should start practicing questions on online platforms. That can be Lead Code, CodeChef, whatever. But before going to kind of practice DSA directly on the online contest, make sure you're comfortable in whatever you're trying to implement, because what happens is when you try to solve the questions in the online contest without even knowing how to implement it properly, what happens is your morale will go down. So the second bare minimum is to get comfortable in DSA. Now coming to the third bare minimum, it is CS fundamentals. Coming to CS fundamentals, it includes four parts. The first part being DBMS, database management systems. Second is OS, operating systems. The third one being CN, computer networks, and the fourth one is basics of COCA. What is COCA? COCA is COCA, computer organization and computer architecture. So the main point is many people from other branches, non-CS branches, also try to get into IT jobs, which is completely fine. But the only thing to remember is make sure you're reading at least the basics of these CS fundamentals, because I mean these are the absolute fundamentals for computer science. So these are three main minimum requirements for becoming a software engineer. First one is OOPS based language, second one is DSA, third one is CS fundamentals. And yeah, obviously for service based companies, the third point, CS fundamentals, is not that important, but for product based companies, CS fundamentals is important. So if you're targeting service based companies, OOPS based language, DSA, aptitude. If you're targeting product based companies, OOPS based language, DSA, CS fundamentals. I hope this is helpful. Definitely do like, share and subscribe to Vamsi Bhavani English, and definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.